Today is National Beach Day. I wonder if my friends Bumblebee and Percy can go somewhere fun.
Oh, hi Pinky.
Oh, Bumblebee. How did you know it was me?
Because my phone says it's you who's calling me. Anyways, I'm taking a walk in the park. You want me to come over? If so, I'm in.
Yes. I'm planning to go to the beach with you and Percy since I'm free.
The beach? Sure. As long it doesn't involve me going to the water.
Don't worry. I'm the only one who's going to get wet.
Oh, okay. Anyways, I'm going to call Percy now. See you at the beach.
Okay, see you later. Oh boy. This is going to be fun. The beach, here I come. Alright. Here I am at the beach, and now to change into my swimsuit.
Well, here it is Percy. The beach.
The hottest place in the world while the sun is out. Speaking of hot, my face is starting to burn. I should have got more water.
Here, let me help you Percy.
Much better. Thanks, Bumblebee.
You're welcome. Now we just gotta wait for Pinkie Pie, then we will be good to go. Wait a minute. Her bag is sitting outside the room where people change into their swimsuits. Could Pinkie Pie be in there?
Pinkie Pie, is that you?
Yes. It's me.
Oh, perfect. She's here.
Come on guys. Let's set everything up. Ah. It feels so comfy. I love it, even being in the shade.
I guess we did a good job setting everything up.
You did. Anyways, what should we do while we are at the beach?
I don't know. What's in the bag?
How about we build a sandcastle?
Why not?
There. Our sand castle is finished. Let's take a picture.
Look. That's us with the sandcastle. What do you guys think?
I love it.
Me too. How about you?
Well, for me, I love it. So much. There. Now the wind won't blow the picture away.
Out of my way, you stupid drivers. I thought you'd go to the beach without letting my parents know.
Hey buddy. I just got this car waxed.
By the way, that was your fault. Here I am, at the beach, on National Beach Day. Now to find me a hammock to rest on. Wait a minute. Pinkie Pie is at the beach for some summer fun. Let's see what she's up to, and ruin her day.
Hey. Why is Dark Dimentio here?
Maybe later, because she's in the water.
Huh, that was odd. Anyway, I have another game for Percy and Bumblebee to play. Percy, Bumblebee. Come here.
What is it? You got another game for us?
I sure do.
Alright. Now it's the perfect time to strike.
Look,
It's that ball from Wiley's Socially Awkward vs. Average vs. Awesome Episode 1.
yeah. I decided to play catch with you too, and show you how high this ball can bounce.
But where did you first get that?
I'll tell you. I was at the store looking for something to play with. Then, I saw a couple of kids running with their balls, and asked their moms if they can have it. Aw. I wish I have one. Just as I was about to enter this aisle, a blue ball is bouncing towards me. Ooh. This looks great to play with. When the ball bounced closer, and closer, and closer, until I caught it. Sunset. Rarity, look.
What is it, Pinkie Pie? You got something to play with.
Yep.
A ball. Good choice, Pinkie Pie.
I guess I'll pay for this, so I can go outside and play.
No, you don't have to, because it's for free.
Did you just say, for free?
Yes, I did.
Yay.
Well, as long as Dark Dimentio doesn't get the ball lost, Pinkie will soon be fine.
And that's how I first got the ball.
For free. Whoa.
I know. She got lucky.
Watch this. Catch it, Percy.
I got it. I got it. I caught it.
Nice catch, Percy. Now throw the ball back to me.
Here it comes.
Oh, sorry about that. Is this your ball you're about to catch?
Yes, it is. What are you doing here?
I have come here to rest on the island, so my parents won't know that I'm at the beach. But then, I saw you and your friends here. It's like I'm invited.
Nobody invited you here, you stupid magician.
I agree with Bumblebee. Why don't you just leave us alone?
And give me the ball back.
Shut up, all of you. If you guys don't stop yapping, I will throw the ball into the sea.
Not the sea.
1.
Don't do it.
I'm gonna do it. 2.
No, don't.
Mind your business. 2.5. 3.
No. Dark Dimentio, why did you throw my ball into the sea?
So I can ruin your fun by making you cry. Ha 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 ha. What are you going to do about it? Huh?
I can't go into the sea. My firebox will go out.
This is all your fault, Dark Dimentio.
My fault. I needed some peace and quiet, you Autobot scrap.
Well, you're not getting any quiet because you made Pinkie Pie cry by throwing her ball into the sea.
Well. Let's back up for a moment. Doesn't Pinkie like balloons?
She does, and balls too, because these round-shaped items can make her bounce too.
Fair point. Now, what are you going to do? Cry about it, huh?
I am going to call your parents. This will teach him for making Pinkie Pie cry.
Oh, there's nobody here. I guess I'm the first one here.
Dark Dimentio. I just got a call from Bumblebee. He said that you made Pinkie Pie cry by throwing her ball into the sea.
It wasn't me. It was some other dark guy who doesn't play very nice.
Are you sure? Because I think you might be lying.
Okay, fine. I did make Pinkie Pie cry by throwing the ball into the sea, and called Bumblebee an Autobot scrap.
Oh 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 oh. Thanks a lot, Dark Dimentio. Now the sea is taking the ball far away, and Pinkie Pie won't get it back. Bumblebee can't get it back, because his parts will become rusty when he enters the water. Percy can't get it back either, because his firebox will go out, and he can't puff.
But Mom, I can swim. I might get it back.
I don't trust you. You are grounded for 1700 months. Go upstairs to your room, now.
It's okay, Pinkie Pie. Some people lost their things in the sea too.
I agree.
I'm sure some of the other subscribers can cheer you up.
Sigh. I'm sorry, guys.
No, don't be. I know that Dark Dimentio ruined our fun, but on the bright side, you still have a picture of us with the sand castle.
How about some ice cream?
Yeah. I guess I can go for some ice cream.
Good. Because I know a place with delicious ice cream with beautiful toppings. Rainbow sprinkles as an example.